none of it yet. It smells disgusting.
Is it nice or no?
It's disgusting.
It's not. It's yummy.
Huh?
It's yummy. Just chew it.
Where's it? Grapefruit?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Where'd I get the grapefruit from?
Jackfruit. That's jackfruit.
I remember one of our YouTube friends, Gloria,
Yeah.
eating this and she was
Yeah,
putting all these
she's.
funny faces. I'm putting the faces now, Gloria. Not through pleasure, but the faces are horrid. They are horrid.
This nice. Yeah, tastes nice.
Huh?
Tastes nice.
You're
Sweet.
too close to that camera, I think.
Sweet. It's longa. I already
Yeah, I'm getting used
built
to it now. It's acquiring taste.
Should chew it properly, baby.
I am chewing it. Just having trouble taking it down. That's not too bad actually. I didn't like it at first, but
No, it's nice. That one. But it's
I hope you don't think I'm going to eat all that.
yeah, it's langka in Tagalog.
Did you get this from Mimi next door?
Yeah, Mimi, give it to me. Yummy.
Looks like pasta.
It's not pasta.
I said it looks like pasta.
It's not.
You have some.
Yeah, later.
That's like I'm getting the hang of it now. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sweet or what? Sweet or what? How it tastes?
It tastes better than it smells.
No, it smells nice, the langka.
No, I didn't. It smelled like it's like mouldy socks.
Smells like nice. It's very nice, the langka. Especially when you put it in between the banana and then you put you
It's
deep
all that
fry
from
it.
one jackfruit then.
No, it's a big the jackfruit is a big fruit.
Yeah, but is that all from one?
No, it Mimi give me just a slice of it. The slice of jackfruit. She got lots of jackfruit. I don't know if she will sell
You
it.
don't think I'm uploading this, Yvonne?
You will.
Oh,
Why
you're too
not?
close with the camera.
It's not.
You're not got my good side.
Yeah, good side.
Oh.
That's enough.
It's alright, I'm getting used to it now. First taste I had, I didn't like it.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, it tastes nice, the jackfruit.
No.
So expensive, the jackfruit.
Where should you get it from? The farm?
I think maybe from there, from the province when she went home. She bring it here.
I need one more.
She brought it here. She.
Are you going to eat the rest of that?
Yeah, later.
Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Oh, I bought the faces Gloria was pulling. Not quite.
It's like she's.
She was making some real enjoyable noises.
Yeah, because it's nice, the jackfruit.
Yes, it's not too bad actually. Yeah, I'm getting to like it now. But the first bite I had, I didn't like it much, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's hard to find a jackfruit around here because sometimes they will.
But you can't buy them in the market.
Because some people they will already even if it's not ripe yet, ready to eat like that, they will cook it as vegetables like
I'm getting to like this now.
like
Okay,
like the ginataang langka or jackfruit with coconut milk.
A funny texture, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've never had any fruit like that before.
It's tropical fruit.
I look at it quick, it looks like pasta.
Not pasta.
No, it just said when you look at it quick, it looks like pasta.
Should do
Are you doing the soundtrack about?
yeah, you should do some more
Oh, no,
video
no.
trying Filipino food for the first time, see? And
That's the first time I've had that.
your reaction or
Yeah.
get it up.